Can you tell us a little about today's property? Today's property involves someone who died alone, or lonely death, which is becoming more prevalent in modern times. And today we have a man in his 60s who lived at this rented accommodation. Who requested your services today? We were called out by a child of the man. It seems they hadn't seen each other in a while. Will there be anyone inheriting the items left here? The person who requested us has decided to decline the inheritance. But as they are the guarantor of the property, they still need the apartment cleared. So they've had to request us. It's a sad situation. All right, let's go inside. There's quite a strong smell. It's December right now, but the smell is already pungent. Just over here. The shape of the individual can quite clearly be seen. What work will you be carrying out today? Today, although the inheritance of the belongings left here have been declined, the relative is the guarantor of the property. So, firstly, we'll be clearing out what's inside here. And secondly, as someone has died and been left here for some time, we'll be carrying out some ozone purification procedures. And finally, a deep and thorough clean of the interiors. Ota-san, you mentioned ozone purification earlier. There are probably some viewers who don't know what that is. Could you give us a quick explanation? Of course. The simplest way to explain this ozone purification is, well, firstly, you have this strong smell from the deceased, and to get rid of this smell, we install this ozone generator in the room. And to put it simply, it destroys the bacteria producing the smells. It helps sanitize the air. It appears the man died at this spot. There's a dark red liquid that looks like it's soaked into the material underneath. Do you know how long it took before the man was discovered? Yes, this is just an estimate, but about 10 to 15 days. That's how long it was before he was found. The way we figured that out was, these were in his postbox. They are undelivered notices from the post office. And from December 4th at 1 o'clock, these have been coming in. They apparently tried to deliver multiple times. And the most recent one is dated in the afternoon of December 14th. It seems then that from some time in early December until about midway through the month, the man's situation was not known by anyone. Now, if you're wondering why the body decomposed so much in such a short time, if it was summer, it's hot, so this would be understandable, but it's December, and if you look around, There's a heater, the air conditioning was on. So it looks to me that the man might have passed away with the heating on. It would have been warm. That's why even in the winter, with the heater on, decomposition advanced as quickly as it did here. It looks like the residue from the body has soaked through to the floorboard. Do you think we can check? Let's have a look. Yes, it looks like it's gone through 2 layers of futon. It's gone through to the floor. It looks like it has. Are you able to get that off the floorboards? It's doable. We'll have to peel off this flooring, see if it's gone through the flooring too. We'll be able to get it cleaned. We're here to completely restore this property. What are you doing with the fridge? The fridge needs to be disposed. We need to start with clearing out the inside. Wow, it's nice. It looks clean. This looks well used. Lots of edamame in the freezer. A lot of frozen foods. Yes, it looks like he might have relied on frozen foods. It looks really well organized. They're all products that you can defrost or deep fry quickly for consumption. What are the use-by dates on them? This is one of the edamame near the front. It says used by 2022, March 29th. So, very new. This one is still good for a year as well. The kitchen area also looks well organized. But it looks like what he used for his last meal are still here. Is there much in the storage up there? Yes, there's quite a lot. Lots of bits and pieces in here, but it does still look nice and tidy. Often, areas around cooking hobs are very greasy, but this is comparatively very clean. I feel like the man had quite a tidy personality.